Google is tackling the growing diabetes problem, which now affects 1 in every 19 people on the planet, by developing a contact lens with a tiny chip sensor which can monitor the glucose levels in the wearer's tears. The project is still in a very early phase, but it's far enough along to make one wonder what else a contact lens could monitor, like someone's high blood pressure, for example. So with Project Glass and now this, Google is definitely trying to mold the future of eyewear to be for more than just helping us see clearly.